With this video, I am going to show you how to save your Screencastify videos so that way the links will still work with your classroom and that you will keep the videos in your drive. So first you want to go to your drive, find your Screencastify folder or open it up. You are going to select all and you are going to move to a new folder. So we select all, right click, organize, move. You're going to say all locations. Oh, you're going to create a new folder, video archive. And we are going to create, and we are going to move to this folder. All of the videos have moved out of my Screencastify. You're going to go back to your drive, find your video archive folder, and you are going to move it to the trash. Do not worry, you will be able to get these back in just a minute. Now, you go to your Screencastify, My Videos, the list of all of your videos in your Screencastify, and you scroll all the way to the bottom, and you are going to click Sync Videos. You're going to wait, click Refresh, all of the videos will go away. And then you go back to your drive, open up your trash, click on right click on Video Archive and Restore. This will restore all of your videos and put them back into your drive, and the links will still work.